guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to be showing you guys how to do easy simple layers a fast way. And I am going to, when I get done, so this is my sister, say hi. This is Izzy. I am going to show you guys how to cut this the easy way, and then I'm going to put some curls in her hair after I layer it. So I blow dried her hair already. So now I'm just going to part the top of her hair, and then I'm going to part the back of her hair. I'll show you guys in a minute. So, matter of fact, yeah, I'm going to use this comb. I'm going to use a wide tooth comb. I'm not going to use a small comb. So I am going to start by parting, going at the top of her head from ear to ear, all the way across like this. As you can tell, she has a lot of hair, and she's ready for something different, guys. She is ready for something different. So I parted it. Put your head down for me. So this is how I parted it. I parted it from ear to ear, going across. Turn this way. Ear to ear, going across. And matter of fact, I'm going to do 3 sections instead of 2 sections. I'm going to do 3. So this top part, I am going to put it in a ponytail, just like this. So I'm going to put it in a ponytail, far up. I hope I'm not blocking this, guys. If I am, sorry. So I'm going to pull a little bit more up on this side, just so I can get it to match as good as I can, because we want it to be equal, guys. So, okay, I'm going to have her put her head up just a little bit like that. Yep. And then make sure it's all combed really good. And then I'm going to put your head down a little bit. Put the ponytail right here. You'll see once I take it out. I am going to put it. Hold on, y'all. She got a lot of hair, y'all. We got to grip this stuff. We don't want no flyaways. Okay, so I'm going to do it this way. So we're going to go just like this. Right? Just like this. Okay, so I got this part. Put your head down. So we got it just like that, and we're going to kind of tighten it just like that. So next we are going to do the middle side. And we are going to part it the same way, going across from ear to ear again. And I'll show you guys how this looks once I part it. Ear to ear. And this is a super easy way to do layers. You'll see once I'm done, guys. So I'm going to make sure this is even all the way across. Okay, so put your head down a little bit, or kind of turn sideways. So this side, I'm going to show y'all when I get done, because I don't want to keep having her twist and turn her body. So once I get done with this side, I'm going to show y'all exactly how I did this. And sorry if y'all hear background stuff. The kids are not asleep and Josh is watching the game, so I apologize. Okay, so this one is going to be in the center, like this. And you guys saw how it fell in the beginning, and after I cut it, you guys will see the layers and how easy and simple this look is. I actually found this look on another girl's page. It said I'm doing mine a little bit different, just a little different. I think she only used like 12, I mean not 12, 2 sections or something like that. But I'm gonna use 3 to spice it up a little bit, because we want lots and lots and lots of volume, right, Izzy? Okay. So I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna have her turn her body sideways. So turn your body sideways as well. And these are the 3 sections that I have. So the higher you cut, like say if you're not doing the ponytails, the higher you bring the hair up, the more layers you'll get when your hair falls. The lower you stretch your hair out and cut, the lower the layers are going to be. But we want layers from top to bottom. We want it to fall with lots of volume. So this is her 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to have her turn back to the front, and then we're going to start chopping. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, so with the first one, we are going to, you know what, I think I want to put, you can put a ponytail on to go across, but I mean, you really don't have to. I'm going to put the ponytail on to show y'all the easier way just in case, you know, some of y'all want to try this at home and whatnot. So I am going to make sure it's stretched out evenly. I am going to put it right here. And then I'm going to take the ponytail off and see where it falls and see where exactly, you know, else we need to cut. So I'm going to cut right across, just like this. Right across, just like so. And the ponytail just helps it stay in place. So this is how much hair we cut off. This is how much hair we cut off. So now I am going to take the ponytail out. Her hair is super long, guys. And I'm going to cut below the band. There we go. And then with this side, I'm going to have you turn to the side, Izzy. And we're going to do the same with the back. This time, I'm just going to pull it up like this and just cut right across. And I'm pulling it up, like I said before, is because when you pull it up, you get better volume. All right. So now we are going to take the top and the front out, not the bottom yet. So turn to the front, Izzy Wizzy. Turn to the front. Because of course when we're done, we're gonna do like an even cross all the way around. Sorry y'all, I ain't really rough. Okay guys, so this is how it fell once I took the ponytail out. And you can see the layers at the top, but I am going to kind of go around to make it a little bit shorter on the sides. Where is my scissors? Yeah, I'm gonna kind of go around, you guys. Cut some of this length off. Yeah. Yep. Sorry guys if you hear Josie in the background. Sit up just a little bit. Okay. So as you can see the layers. Okay, guys, so now we are going to start on the process of curling her hair. That is how much we cut off mainly, not too much. So, yeah. So we are going to start with the back. And this part is not going to take long at all, guys. Not long at all. So yeah, we're going to start with. Hey guys, so the way I am going to curl it, I am going for more of a Farrah Fawcett look. So I'm just going to be curling with the flat iron like this, turn this wheel, and then just outward, inward, if that makes sense. And I didn't want to straighten her hair first because sometimes when you straighten hair first and then curl it, it's too much heat and it won't curl the way you need it to. So I'm just curling just like that. And then we're just going to let that sit. So it's more of a, you know, like a regular spiral, turn to your right. Spiral curl going just like that. And we're going to do that all the way around. All the way around. So cute. You don't want to get no fishtails, so make sure you get that very end piece. Flip it just like that. Just like that. And then we're going to let that one sit too. We're not going to comb it out until the very end. Very end, guys. This about to be cute as heck, y'all. I just want to let y'all know. I just want to let y'all know this about to be cute. This about to be so cute. So just keep flipping if you can. You're just gonna let them sit. You're not gonna comb it out yet. You're gonna let that. Okay, guys, so we are done with the curls, and y'all already know what we got to do. I'm gonna have her, you know. All right, I'm gonna have her whip her hair back and forth. I'm gonna have her whip her hair back and forth like maybe 3 times, and then we gonna style it. So just go like this 3 times.
Fast.
Go. Yes. It don't matter how you do it. Just yep. Okay. Isabel being a little shy with the Come on, shake it, girl. I need you to shake it, shake it. Yep, shake it. There you go. There you go. Okay, hunty. Okay, hunty. Now y'all see these layers. Isabel a little scared to shake it. I don't know what her problem is. But look how cute. Look how cute. Oh, get on your side. Get on your side. What you doing? All right, there we go. Look how cute and layered. You ain't never wear your hair like this before. Never, literally. That's cute. All right, let me straighten it up some. Ooh, okay. Okay. Flip it back though. Okay, with the curls, come through. Come through. Come through, volume. Come through. There we go. Put your head up some. Oh, shoot. That was lovely. Like, oh, shoot. I think I might want to. Shoot, do I need to go back into the hair industry? Shoot. Okay. Come through. Yes. What you think?
I like
yes.
It's new.
It is. something totally different. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of this fabulous look that I did with these layers and these beautiful curls. It is lovely. This is her first time wearing her hair like this because she got naturally curly hair, so she wears it naturally curly a lot. But we wanted to try something new. She just turned, how old you just turned?
24.
24, so she's trying to get her grown and sexy on out here in these streets, okay? So yeah, this is cute. Let me see. You can even wear it like this. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I gotta give me some bomb thumbnails. That is cute. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This completes this look. And stay tuned for the next upload. And I am going to spray a little bit of holy spray on her hair. Close your eyes. So we can stay in place. Alright. Boom. There we go. We got her hair. Beautiful layers. Beautiful color. See y'all in the next upload. Bye.